Hello and welcome to the Billionaire Journey podcast. By the way, if you have not joined our newsletter, please go ahead to the billionairejourney.com and subscribe. All right. And when you subscribe, we're going to send you two amazing gifts straight into your inbox. And I hope you do that right now. All right. Head over to thebillionairejourney.com and subscribe. Yeah, so back to today's topic. Today, I want to talk to you, want to discuss 5 online businesses that you can start from the comfort of your home. So either you want to start this, maybe you're a student or you're already working and you want to start this as a side hustle. I'm going to share with you 5 of these that you can do. All right. So the first one I want to talk about is freelancing, right? So this is actually just you offering your skills and services to clients through websites like Upwork or Fiverr, right? So basically using freelance marketplace. For instance, there's also another website called um, freelancer.com. Yeah. Well, remember when I was in the university, I was using that website and I made a couple of dollars before I wasn't really active on it anymore. Right. So, but today you can use something like freelancer.com, Upwork, Fiverr, and there are also other online marketplaces that you can just Google. Just if you go and Google and search for online marketplace, you're gonna see a lot of this website that you can go. In fact, we held there was a time that I recorded a podcast on how you can make money with Fiverr, and if you go to Shola Matthew, if you search for Shola Matthew on YouTube, you're gonna see a video that I created on how you can make money with Fiverr, and I actually demystify everything that you need to know about making money with Fiverr. And I hope that you go and watch that video. I will try to put the link of that video in the show notes. So all you need to do is to click on the link and it will lead you to the video. All right. I hope I won't forget that. All right. So yeah. So that is that. So number 2 is online teaching. So this is basically you creating and selling online courses, or you can offer to tutor, people, through services, through some teaching website like Udemy or Teachable. All right. So basically there's also another website. Yeah, I just remember now. There's also another website called Skillshare. So you just create a course. For example, let's say you know how to do podcasting very well, or um, you know how to create YouTube channel, or you know how to edit videos, or you know how to take the best photos with with phone camera. Then you could create a course on something like that and sell it on Udemy or Teachable, or you could even host it on WhatsApp and start selling and selling to people. I don't know why people are not looking at the WhatsApp, because WhatsApp, it's a very easy place where you could actually get started immediately. For example, let's say that you create a course and then you upload it on YouTube, you unlist it, and then anybody who buys your course, maybe the person makes payment to you directly or through a link, let's say like PayPal, then you send the person the links to all of these courses on WhatsApp. It's super easy as that. Yeah, so you could start with that, but if you want to scale up, then you have to consider places like Teachable, Udemy, and so on and so forth. All right. And the third one is e-commerce. All right. So this is just basically setting up an online store and selling physical or digital products through platforms like Shopify or ST. So recently I bought a course on what is it called now, on drop shipping, right? I'm still going through that course, and I figured out that Shopify is already making people a lot of money, millions and thousands of dollars and millions of dollars that people are making every single year from Shopify stores. So if you, and it's super easy actually, you might not even need to get any course in order to do that, to be honest with you. All you need to do is go to YouTube, find out about how you can create a Shopify store. If you don't know how to do that, you go on Fiverr, give it to somebody, create it for you for a little amount of money, and afterwards, get products that people might be interested in. You can research it through Google Trends and Amazon, or even on TikTok and other places where people are buying stuff. And if you find a winning product, then create a Shopify store for that product, or a page for it, and just start selling. It's as simple as that. So where the issue might come for some people is, how do they market this? So there are two ways you can market it: through organic marketing, like free marketing, just keep posting on social media platforms until people find you, or you can blog about it. I'm still going to talk about blogging anyway. You can blog about it, and people find it, they buy it. But the fastest way to make sales is, of course, to run paid ads on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Google, YouTube, and what have you. All right. So the fourth business that I want to talk about, the fourth business idea, is affiliate marketing. Right. This is basically you promoting products from other companies, and you earn a commission for each sale that is made through your referral link. So for example, let's say you're on ClickBank, right? You can register on ClickBank, and then you get some product, and then anytime somebody buys that product through your unique link called referral link or affiliate link, right, you get paid for it. It's simple as that. So let's say I'm selling a book now. If you approach me and say, oh, Shola Matthew, I can actually sell this book to a lot of people, just give me an affiliate link. And I look at you and say, okay, maybe you have like 50,000 followers on social media, or 10,000 followers on social media that engage with you, or even 1,000. I say, okay, no problem, I give you the product, I generated a link for you, and then I give it to you, right? So now maybe in 5 days later you started making sales. Now if I promise you 50%, and let's say the product is $50, so on each sale you're making $25. It's as simple as that. Affiliate marketing. And the last but not the least today is blogging. To be honest with you, blogging is an incredible business that anyone anywhere can start. Now, and I'm not saying that you just go and use ChatGPT and just copy right blog for you and just copy and paste. No, it doesn't work that way, because ChatGPT would search engines like Google will start hammering on some of these things that people just copy from AI and Jasper and all of that, and just post it on social, on a blog, and expect to start making revenues from that. It wouldn't really work that way. So the way to do it is just basically write article, post on your blog, promote it, and then as your audience keeps growing, right, the companies will approach you, or you can register for something like AdSense, and then you start making money from there. Or you can make money from those things that I mentioned earlier, like affiliate marketing from your blog. So let's say that you have you're an affiliate with a particular platform like Amazon. Write a review about it, post on your blog, and if somebody clicks on that link and buys that product, you make money from it. So that is it for today. I hope you learned something from all of the things that I've shared with you. The 5 online businesses that you can start this year are, that I've shown you, is freelancing, online teaching, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and blogging. There are a lot of online businesses that you can start. Just choose the one that suits your style and find more about it, dig deep, and I believe that you can come out being the best and having a lot of money from those. And I hope you've learned something from today's episode. Please remember, go to the Billionaire Journey and subscribe to our newsletter. I look forward to seeing you there. Have a lovely time. Bye.